Good morning, students. Under the subject 4E of Mechanical Engineering, which stands for Elements of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, today I am going to start with the first topic, electricity and its applications. As shown in the first figure, it is a closed circuit. First of all, let's start with electricity. What is electricity? In a closed circuit, the invisible energy which constitutes the flow of electrons to do work is called electricity. So, क्या है electricity? It is a form of energy which can be converted to any other form very easily. So, as we all know, flow of electrons in a circuit constitutes electrical current, and the flow of current in a circuit may be in one direction as shown in the figure, closed circuit, and it can be changing periodically. So based on this, electric current may be classified as two. First is AC, alternating current, and DC, direct current. Alternating current is that which changes in magnitude and direction periodically. As shown in figure A, the graph is depicting the time period in the horizontal line, and at the vertical it is current. So the current is changing periodically with time. The direction and the magnitude of the current is changing, which flows through an electrical circuit. So alternating current is this. The direction of flow of alternating current in an electric circuit changes periodically, means with time ये बदलता रहता है, and also इसका magnitude, the value of the current, it also changes regularly or irregularly. So this current is changing current which depends on time, whereas DC, direct current, is that current which always flow in one direction. As shown in figure B, the current is flowing in one direction. It is not changing with time. As the time is increasing, the value of current remains same. So the current which flows only in one direction in an electric circuit is called direct current. Direct current flows in one direction, the magnitude is constant, and it flows from positive terminal to negative terminal of a battery through the load resistor, as shown in figure first, closed circuit, that circuit. So now as we have two types of current, so let's study the difference between the two. What is the difference between AC and DC, which is very important. So first of all, we have studied alternating current reverses periodically and its magnitude changes. Okay, alternating current अपना magnitude और direction बदलता रहता है with time, whereas direct current flow in one direction only. वो हमेशा एक ही direction में रहता है. It does not changes with time. Second, AC can be generated. AC current, both currents are generated. AC currents can be generated at higher voltages, but DC current cannot be generated at high voltages because of commutation difficulties, because of various difficulties we'll be studying later on. Next point is the cost of generation in AC is less, whereas in DC is more. The cost of generation in DC is more in comparison to AC. Fourth point is alternating voltage can be increased or decreased easily with the help of transformers. We can use step up transformer and step down transformers, and we can change the voltage accordingly our needs, stepping, and which is called step up and step down of the voltage. DC voltage or direct voltage cannot be increased or decreased easily. AC cannot be used directly for electroplating. Only DC can be used for electroplating. AC motors are of less cost and more robust. They are more standing, they are more durable, whereas DC motors are costlier and less durable. So these are the differences, some points of differences. We can also show these two graphs while writing the differences between AC and DC. So next is applications of electricity. Applications, as in electricity is used everywhere. सबसे पहले इंडस्ट्री में इसकी सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है, बिकॉज हर चीज़ बिजली से चलनी है. Required lighting, it is required for the working of various instruments, for furnaces, ovens, for cooling, air conditioners and many other purposes. और घरों में second is domestic use. Lamps, coolers, heaters, our refrigerators, mixie, washing machine, TVs, radios, geysers, all work on electricity. Next is in commercial buildings. They provide cooling and heating facilities. So it is used everywhere. Fourth can be defense. It is used in wings of army. In every wings of army. In navy uses it. Military uses it. Air force में required है ये. For radar systems. So the backbone for the success of army is spying. ठीक है, उनको नज़र रखनी पड़ती है. So radar system, it works on electricity again. And the last and the most important is medical. In medical field, various instruments used for testing, ECG, X-ray machines, microscopes, shortwave diathermy units. There are so many instruments which work on electricity. So on the basis of these tests, doctors diagnose करते हैं क्या diseases हैं और medicines prescribe करते हैं. So there are many more fields and appliances in which electricity is employed. Thank you.